Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the Nugget ice maker and the Smug Countertop ice maker. In today's video, we will delve into their unique features, pricing, and production capabilities. Whether you're looking for chewable nugget ice for your cocktails or quick bullet ice for your parties, we've got you covered. Let's get started. The Nugget ice maker produces chewable nugget ice, which is highly sought after for its texture and is often found in restaurants. In contrast, the Smug Countertop ice maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is versatile for various beverages but lacks the chewable quality. If you prioritize the texture of your ice, the Nugget ice maker is the clear choice. When it comes to pricing, the Nugget ice maker is positioned at a premium price point of $199, reflecting its advanced features and high production capacity. On the other hand, the Smug Countertop ice maker is budget-friendly, priced at just $69.99. This makes the Smug model an attractive option for those looking for value without compromising on functionality. In terms of daily production capacity, the Nugget ice maker excels with an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for heavy users. The Smug Countertop ice maker, while efficient, produces 26.5 pounds of ice in the same time frame. If you frequently host gatherings or need a large volume of ice, the Nugget model will serve you better. In conclusion, both the Nugget ice maker and the Smug Countertop ice maker have their strengths. The Nugget model is perfect for those who prioritize ice quality and production capacity, while the Smug model offers great value and speed for casual users. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.